The following video will show you how to use a utility knife from your skill set kit in a safe and secure manner. The first thing we always do before starting a project or working on a project is we wear our safety glasses. Ensure you are using a cutting board underneath your material. Only cut material that the knife can handle, such as cardboard or bristle board. If the blade ever feels dull, get your teacher to change it. When possible, use a straight edge, such as a ruler, as a guide. Secure your material with one hand. With your other hand, engage the spring lever of the utility knife using your thumb so that the blade is exposed. Use your index finger to apply downward pressure at a 20 to 30 degree angle. Once you are applying pressure to the material, you can release your thumb. Use a pull stroke, ensuring that you are not pulling towards your body. You may have to make multiple passes to get a clean cut.